Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. Today we are going to learn measures of relative position in normal distribution, that is standard scores. Standard scores provide a method of expressing any score in a distribution in terms of its distance from the mean in standard deviation units. The utility of this conversion of a raw score to a standard score will become clear as each type is introduced and illustrated. Three types of standard scores are considered. First, Z score, second T score, and third, College Board score. Now, Z score. Deviation from mean expressed in terms of standard deviation is called Z score or sigma score. It is also known as standard score. Z score is equal to x minus x bar divided by sigma, where x is raw score, x bar is mean, and sigma is standard deviation. Now, let us understand Z score by taking an example. In table given below, there are two data sets. Their means and standard deviation are given, and we want to compare random scores of set 1 and set 2. For data point 52 of set 1, Z score is minus 1.50, and for data point 12 of set 2, Z score is 1.0. This means data point 52 of set 1 is below minus 1.5 standard deviation to mean, while other data point 12 is above 1.0 standard deviation to mean. T score can be calculated with the help of Z score by using following formula. T is equal to 50 plus 10 into Z score. Similarly, College Board score can be calculated with the help of Z score by following formula. ZCB is equal to 500 plus 100 into Z score. Z score is applicable in comparison of raw scores from different data set. For example, weight for age in nutritional studies. Here I am ending this session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi, and for latest update don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you for watching.